Hey guys, it's Scott with Mayhem RC, and showed you a video a couple days ago about me purchasing a Traxxas MAXX, and I want to say first, I absolutely love that vehicle. I had a Granite, an Armor Granite, and nothing wrong with that. I'm not here to bash it at all. The Armor Granite is a beast, nearly unbreakable. I never broke it, but I know one time I had it coming off my best friend's stunt ramp doing like 6 and 7 backflips in a row. Like, it's got that much power. So cool vehicle, but I love the Traxxas MAXX. That's all I know to say. So I've actually already done some upgrades to it, mainly for the look, but I know I've watched a bunch of videos, did some research, and I already know that it's going to help the drivability and make it more stable. And so I'm just going to turn the camera around and show you guys what I did. All right, guys, so here it is. I installed the Traxxas MAXX Wide Kit for it. And I got, since I have the orange and blue, of course I ordered the orange A-arms. The kit goes together like so easy. It's such an easy upgrade to do. It didn't take me but maybe 30 or 45 minutes, and that was just kind of taking my time and, you know, just kind of having fun with it. But it absolutely looks great. The stance is a lot wider. I can tell that it's really going to help the vehicle stability on it and everything. And I'd heard a couple of videos talking about the Wide MAXX Kit, how that it had some weird, oops, sorry about the camera work there. It had some weird thing about changing, you know, moving the rear springs to the front shocks and then putting new springs to come in. Well, when you put these longer arms on there, it changes if I can talk, it changes the geometry of the suspension. So without a little bit stiffer spring in the front and in the rear as well, when it jumped, it wouldn't land as good. It would bottom out a lot. So they moved the stiff rear springs up front, and you know, you can't really tell the difference. I mean, you wouldn't know it if you didn't know you changed it. But you can see there's a little difference in the back springs. The coils are there. It's more spring. It's more wire. The coils are closer together, so a lot stronger spring. And it was easy. I even swapped the oil inside the shocks and went from a 30 weight to a 50, because that's what the kit right there is, the box the kit came in. And the instructions in the kit, they recommended that you went from a 30 weight, which came in the rig, to 50 weight. So the shocks have all been filled with 50 weight fluid. And if it wasn't raining outside, I would have already went outside and tested this vehicle. And so I could give you guys a little, you know, to just tell you about how it did. But it widens it about 40 millimeters, or roughly 1.5 inches. And as you can see, my opinion is it looks absolutely awesome. So I'm happy with it, and I just wanted to take the time to show you guys real quick exactly how it came out. And as soon as I get some more, I mean, I've already ran the vehicle when it was stock before these A-arms got put on, and like I said before, I absolutely love it. I love this more than the Armor Granite. This is my favorite monster truck. A lot of guys like the X-Max. I'm not a guy who likes 5th scale that much. It's just me. Not saying there's anything wrong with it. It's just not for me. I'm more of a 10th scale, 8th scale kind of guy. And this monster truck it's what I love. This is the perfect size. So I appreciate you guys watching. I hope you like the upgrades we did so far. The only thing that I think I'm going to do to it now is I don't know that it's really an upgrade, but it makes it look cool, and what it does is cool. Traxxas sells a light kit where you have an LED in the front bumper, and then red, yellow, and white, I believe, in the rear bumper, and it comes with a light controller. So when you hit your brakes, red lights come on. When you back up, clear lights come on, and it just does that. I think it's cool. It's $100. By the way, the Traxxas MAXX widening kit's only $50. So I bought it mainly for the color because this body just looks, I love this body. It looks so good, and those orange A-arms just really, to me, set it off. So that was my main purpose in buying this, but I know it's going to make the vehicle a lot better in the long run. But so that's what the lights are about, really. It just looks cool. I'm probably not really going to be running this at night very much. But hey, we'll see. You never know. I got some friends that race X-Maxes on Saturday night. Maybe they'll let the Mini Max, the Mini X-Max here, join in with them. We'll see. But I hope you guys have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. If you like the videos, like and subscribe as always. And I appreciate you guys watching and supporting, and just trying to make some more videos and share this hobby with you guys. Take care.